We will be discussing everyday language and vocabulary in today's session. We had a very nice class yesterday, and we discussed how we use expressions and how to pronounce the words correctly, which are often mispronounced in our daily life. We've used expressions and what these mean in English language. For example, the first one we discuss is can't stand. Can't stand does not mean कि आप खड़े नहीं हो सकते. It means that you are unable to tolerate something, right? For example, I can't stand the mess, or I can't stand the loud noise, which means you are unable to tolerate the loud noise, or you don't like things messy around you. Okay, moving on to the next one, it is can't wait. Can't wait doesn't mean आप इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकते. It means that you're so excited about something that the time is not passing by and you can't wait to reach that place or that point of time. For example, I can't wait for my birthday present, or I can't wait for my cousin to arrive from Canada. Okay, so can't wait is used in this way. Can't bear. Can't bear is similar to can't stand, but it is used in various scenarios in English language. For example, can't bear, I can't bear with the mess. I can't bear with all the noise around. So it is similar to can't stand, but you usually use with after bear also. It is 1 degree higher than can't stand, which means if you can't bear, it is completely intolerable. We also discussed that there are many words which we use with very. Okay, and we have a replacement of one word in English which replaces the two words. For example, very hungry. Very hungry can be replaced by starving. Please give me food. I'm very hungry. Or I'm starving. Very hot. Very hot is scorching. Now with the weather change, we all will say it is very hot outside. So we can say it is scorching outside. Very good. Very good can be replaced by one word, which is fabulous. Your dress is fabulous. The party we attended was fabulous. Very happy. Now see, we usually say I am so happy or I am very happy. This can be replaced by delighted. I am delighted to see you, or I was delighted to attend the party. So we can use one word which is self-explanatory rather than attaching very or so or to, like that. We also have started a new section which is pronunciation. There are many words which we use in our daily life where we use the incorrect pronunciation. So today we're going to discuss a few correct pronunciations of a few words. Breakfast. We all use this and many people call it breakfast because of the spelling. But we have to say it like breakfast. Breakfast. That's the correct pronunciation. It's not iron, it is iron. I'm going to iron my clothes. Crushed. See, the d is so soft. There are many people I have heard calling this won. It is not won, it is one. It is exactly the same pronunciation as the number 1. So this is 1. Looking into the spelling of the fifth word, there are many people who call it restaurant. That's wrong. The correct pronunciation is restaurant. 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 Thank you.